if you say, if I'm saying to you, have you had your dinner? So the answer will reply, I haven't had my dinner. So it is
No,
a, same present perfect tense, present
but
tense.
I
So
won't
I'm
say
but,
I did not
but
had my.
yes, hello ma'am, hi.
Hello, good evening. How are you doing?
Good evening too, ma'am. I'm doing well. What about you, ma'am?
Hello? How did your day go? I'm doing amazing. How did your day go?
my day my day went well. Yes, yes,
Hmm?
ma'am. Yes.
Any
And what about
exciting thing that you did today?
exciting thing? No, I think there's no as usual, ma'am. Yeah, and I think I today I didn't do.
As usual?
Yeah, and today I didn't do exercise, so it's not too much good, but it's okay. Yeah.
Do you like to exercise?
Yeah, I love to do exercise, but before the exercise, I don't want to go. I don't want, but after exercise, then I feel good. Yes. So yeah. So, ma'am, today I would like to talk
I
about.
understand that feeling.
Yes, yes. So, can you hear me, ma'am? My
I
voice is
can, I
okay,
can.
na?
Continue.
It's okay,
Yeah,
na?
yeah.
Okay. So today I would like to talk about past present tense and present perfect tense. Actually, actually, ma'am, I have a YouTube channel. I think, I don't know, you don't know.
Hmm.
So there's a one person, Geeta Ranaji. So he requested to me, please ask to tutor to about present tense, present perfect tense, and past tense. And one he requested more, uh, please ask to him or her, uh, explain in Hindi. Yes. So would you?
That is not a good way to learn. See, I'll tell you what. No, I'll tell you why you should not learn tenses in Hindi. Okay, very simple reason. Now, every language, there's not exact translation for it.
True,
Okay, there's not exact translation of everything.
true, man.
Um, some words will be the same, but some are different. I'm learning French, right? You know how we
Yes,
tell in I'm 20 years old. We say that way in English. In
yes,
French, if I literally translate it, it will be like I have 20 years old. So
yes.
tell me, is it correct? I have 20 years old?
No, is it not correct? Yes,
It's not correct. That's
yes,
the same problem in all languages, and that's why we don't teach in Hindi and we don't ask you to translate. Okay?
yes, absolutely.
I'll tell you how to go about learning tenses. Okay? Do this simple exercise, and then I will tell you the next step in the next class.
Okay.
You have four types of tenses under each. Okay,
Yes,
present tense you have four types, in past tense you have four types, and in
okay.
future you have four
Four
types.
times.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you first learn the basic rules of them. What is
Yes.
the construction? Like, you know,
Mm-hmm.
if it's if it's simple past, you just
Mm-hmm.
you need the verb plus ed. I play, I played.
Yes,
Play is the
I
verb,
played.
you add
Yes.
ed. Next,
Okay.
you go to the next tense.
Mm-hmm.
Past
Ma'am,
past perfect,
we will
past
not discuss, ma'am.
continuous.
Ma'am. We will not discuss all tenses. If we will discuss all tenses, so time has running out.
True.
Time will out. Yes. So we
Yeah.
have to discuss about only present perfect tense and past tense. Yes. So that is good, I think. So then,
The past tense also has four types. That's why I will give you the technique of learning this. Okay, let me tell
okay.
you. First, you
Mhm.
learn the rules under them, like how I told you that the simple construction of simple past is verb plus ed. Same
Yes.
way, you learn the rules for the all the eight,
Yes. All the
for
two
a
words.
12, all the 12.
All the two words
Okay,
structure.
you
Yes.
learn the rules for all 12.
Yes.
Once you learn that structure, see, you don't
Mhm.
have to know all four for now under each.
Yes.
You don't have to know the past perfect continuous. You don't have to know
Mhm.
that for now. If you learn the
Yeah.
simple past, simple present, present perfect is also fine, but don't confuse yourself like that learning each one. Because when
Okay.
when we are speaking, we don't always say, okay, I'm going to use past perfect here, I'm going to use past continuous here. We don't do that. Even in Hindi, when you speak, do you keep thinking, I will use this tense, I will use that tense? You will only
Mm,
think past, present, future. You will not think
absolutely.
the subcategories. You will not think about the
Yeah.
subcategories under it. It's good
Okay.
to know, but don't by heart it so much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another way to learn the past tense, I tell you, every day, just try to recall what you did the previous day. Try to
Okay.
narrate that. Yesterday I played a game. Yesterday I got up. Yesterday I could have gone to the store, but I did not go. Try to use these variations, right?
Absolutely, man. Yeah.
I
So,
I had been somewhere.
mm,
So much you can use.
yeah. So you wanted to say means you should not stuck in a single place about tenses. If
Absolutely.
you suppose if you are facing some problem about any translated sentence, and that sentence is not fixing in the any grammar way, so don't stuck, just go ahead. Is it you mean, right?
I mean to say that, do not memorize the tenses in such a way that you have to decide, I have to put past, present, perfect, then I have to put, continuous, the
but
present.
but
It is
but man
confusing.
but it's really it's confusing, ma'am. There's no dot, but most of the Hindi students, they do this thing because they believe if we learn grammar, then we will speak English language.
Correct.
Yeah,
They are
there's a
right.
lots of, yeah. So
They are
there's
right.
yes, yes, ma'am.
So
So
I'll tell you how to go about it. You by heart the structure. Okay.
yeah.
You by heart
Mhm.
the structure. But
Okay.
post that, the simple activity that you do is narrate your past incidences. You
Yes.
know, I
Mhm.
could have studied, but I did not.
Yes.
So try
Okay.
to make those simple sentences, and that's how you learn tenses. If you keep by hearting the structure, like suddenly, when you even ask me for the structure, I have to think for a minute. Which
Okay.
structure is the past this thing that which is that? So whenever someone asks me about, I always I'll be like,
Mhm.
next class I will tell you exactly what the construction is. I
Okay.
myself write it down and then I say it, because once you get into the habit of speaking continuously, you won't be memorizing and thinking about everything that you say. It just flows.
So okay, yeah, yeah, okay. So will you explain in Hindi or not, ma'am? In
No, Hindi is not, it's not the
present
right
perfect tense.
way.
All
It
right.
is, see, it is not the right way to learn, right? That I have to translate a sentence and then you have to learn, because
No, but just main thing, man. Just main thing. I just want to say you. Just main thing about
tell me which one.
uh present perfect tense. First, we go ahead.
Okay, present perfect tense. The
Yes.
first we go with what's the construction of it. Has
Okay, ma'am.
or have plus
Mhm.
verb. For example, he has slept.
Mhm.
Now in
Okay.
Hindi, if I have to translate he has slept, it is
Yes.
वो सोया है.
वो वो सोया है, हाँ, yes, वो सो गया है. What is there's a depend on the expression. Yeah.
वो सो गया है. Yeah. So
हाँ.
see why I can't give you the Hindi
Mhm.
translation of it,
I
because
know
it
that.
does not match. Correct.
Yeah.
You just
He
have to
has
remember
slept. Yeah. Just you have said he has slept,
he
right?
has slept. Yeah. He
Yeah.
has
He
played.
has slept. He has played. Means suddenly that incident happened.
Okay. I'll tell you what is the what you have to remember with this present perfect tense. Okay. It just indicates an action that has been completed sometime before the present moment.
Yes.
Okay, but the result affects the present situation.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, for example,
Again, you are explaining in English. But okay, but okay.
Well, I don't know in Hindi the explanation. My Hindi is not that great, even though my mother
Alright.
tongue is Hindi. Oh my
Okay.
God, it's so embarrassing.
It's okay, ma'am. Totally fine. No
Okay.
problem.
Okay. So with he has slept, it indicates it took place a little before the present situation, before
Mhm.
sleeping.
Yes.
You know, we can't, if we say he is sleeping, that is the complete present, right? But he
Yes.
has slept is a little before the present. The action
Yes.
was completed a little before the present.
Yes. Yes. In Hindi, I think वो सोया है, वो सो गया है, वो सो गया है. But in the end of, as far as I know, I learn in Hindi also. So in there they say, वो सो गया है. In the last of the, sentence है,
But
not था, है.
in Hindi, so for present you say वो सो रहा है, and then for
Yes.
past you say वो सो गया है. But what about the simple past?
If you talk about so रहा है, man, if you talk about so रहा है, that means present continuous tense. It is present, so रहा है. He is
Okay.
sleeping. Yes.
And what will be the simple present in Hindi?
Simple present.
Yeah.
He is sleeping. He is
In
sleep.
Hindi.
He
I know in English, in Hindi.
वो सो रहा है. Yes.
So you're saying that the present continuous in Hindi is the same as the simple present?
Simple present is he sleep. Only he sleep. He sleep. वो सोता है. He sleep.
वो सोता है. And then वो सो
Yes.
रहा. Oh my God, too confusing. See,
Yes.
no, this is not the way to learn. If
Yeah.
you want to translate, translation is also a bad way of learning. Let me tell everybody on your YouTube, it's a very bad way of learning. The only place that you should use Hindi is sometimes when you face a problem with your pronunciation. You know, some
Yeah.
one or two words, you write it down in Hindi and you read it out. The other place that you use translation is when you're learning the basics. But I would not advise it for tenses. It's extremely confusing, and I am extremely confused.
It's okay, ma'am. Yeah. And if you talk about present past, past tense only, तो वो सो गया था. He slept. Only he slept. वो सो गया था.
But we don't say we सो गया था.
No, but there's confusion between present perfect tense and present past tense. What is the confusion part? The confusion part is that if you say he slept, so there is a no guarantee, means that activity did past time. If you say वो सो गया था, वो सो गया है. If you say he slept, so that means that incident happened in past time. Yes. And he has slept. He has slept. If someone say, that means recently it happened. Yes.
I got your confusion. Why you are confused with these two tenses? One is you're confused between he slept and he has slept. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. Now I got it. He slept is in the past and you don't have any indication of the time that action is completed.
Yes.
Completed. Okay. It has no connection with the present. But when you say he has slept, it has a little continuity with the present situation.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
yes. If you say he slept, means there's no guarantee, means he slept.
Yeah, see, consider that this is the present tense. Okay. He has slept is here.
Yes.
It can be here. I mean, he slept. He slept can be anywhere, but he has slept is somewhere here.
Yes.
That is the difference.
Okay. What is the negative part? Just suppose if I'm saying to you, did you have your breakfast?
You want me to convert in the negative?
No, it is a simple past negative sentence, an interrogative sentence. Did you have your breakfast?
Did you have your breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah, you're speaking.
We asked this question. Did you have your breakfast?
Yeah. So this is you're asking me somewhere very close in time.
Yeah,
Right?
but that incident has completed already.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
yes.
Because you
If
asked me,
I'm
did
saying
you have?
yes, if I'm saying to you, have you had your lunch? So that means recently you did it. Means recently you
No,
completed your lunch.
no,
Mhm.
no, no. You're asking me a
Okay.
question. So there are two possibilities. I could have had it, or I
Yeah.
couldn't, or I did not have it. Right?
Okay. Suppose.
What if I
Okay.
say
Right now.
no?
Okay. Right now I'm saying to you, have you had your dinner? So what will you give me answer?
I'll say no. I did not have my dinner. So there are always two possibilities
If
with question.
ma'am, if you say I did not have my dinner, so I did not we use in past tense in negative sentence. I did not have my dinner. But if you say, if I'm saying to you, I have you had your dinner, so the answer will reply, I haven't had my dinner. So it is
No,
a same present perfect tense, present
but I
tense. So
won't
I'm
say
but
I did not had my dinner. I will say I did not have my dinner, not had my dinner.
yeah. Yes.
That is the
Okay.
confusion. So I will not say I did not had my dinner. It does not make sense. I did not have my dinner because I'm speaking about my present condition that in the past I did not have something.
But ma'am, in dinner is a present time now, ma'am. Now is timing is present time.
Mhm.
Dinner time is now is going on. So how we can use past tense in
Because
here?
you're asking me if I had my dinner,
But
but
yeah,
I will reply in the present.